Hey guys, so today I wanted to review the DULLEMELO storage cubes. I really like these cube guys. They are huge. I think I bought mine in the biggest size. So as you can see, it is really big. It's really deep, so you can store a bunch of things in here. I really love the little handle here. It's actually in the shade like brown, which I love in contrast of all of the fabric here. I really love all of the colors, but I really love the handle because you can just pull it out or pull it in, so it makes it easier for you to take it out or put it back inside. I really love the fabric inside of the basket, guys. It's like a silky type fabric, which I love. You can also, it is also like bendable, so you can just bend it up. So if you think it's not gonna fit your cubes, it's gonna fit your cubes because you can just bend it down. But anyways guys, it's gonna help you keep everything more organized. It's gonna fit a bunch of stuff in here that you're gonna have some of the cubes left over. I love it. I love the fabric. I love everything about it, and I would definitely recommend it.